Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely top. I'm going to show you the requirements. So you're going to require a crochet hook. Mine is 3.5 millimeter. Then you're going to require this now what do I call it, this circular metal so then you're going to require yarn, any color. So I'm going to use this red yarn and this pink yarn. So I'm going to use the two of them. So I'm going to show you how I made this top. So for starters, you're just going to make a slip stitch. You're just going to insert your hook like that and take this loop and pull it through. So that's a slip stitch. So I'm going to make 20 chains. So 1 2 no, let me add them to 30, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, I think this length is enough. So 30, you're going to chain an extra 2, so total 32, right? Then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the chain you are holding, then yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's simply a double crochet. So what you're going to do is yarn over, insert your hook, pull this loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that's what you're going to do for this whole row. Now this is the first row. So continue doing this. I know it's been a while since I posted, but now I'm back. I had a lot going on, but now I have returned. Yeah, and we're going to be having at least 2 tutorials a week. So you continue doing this. Make your double crochets all the way to the end of this. Yeah, till here. So I'll be back when I'm done with my first row. So here we are at the end of the row. So what you're going to do, you're just going to chain 1, turn over your work, then make a double crochet in the first loop. Yeah, so that's the first double crochet. You just continue doing this. Yeah, continue making your double crochets. This is the second row now. Continue doing that until the end of this row. So our top will simply be made of simple double crochets all the way. So basically I'm going to make I need this to have 2 parts. One part will be this red part and the other part will contain the pink color. Yeah, so then we're going to combine them by using this. I'm going to show you. Let's continue making our double crochet. Yeah, I saw that photo on Pinterest and decided I'm going to show you how that top was made. Yeah, so continue making your double crochets until the end of this row. So guys, I'm done with the first part. So this is simply how the top is going to look like. So you're going to make two of these. So I made this one and this one. They're two different colors, the same size. So I'm going to show you how I connected this one to this part. So as in, yeah, so that they can be like something like this, you see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So I made 30, no, not 30, I made 25 25 rows of double crochets. You can make more depending on how big your bust is. So mine is a medium, it's small. This is size small to medium. So I'm going to show you how I did this, yeah, so that we can at least be halfway done with our top. So I just took, okay, we need this part to connect this part like this, eh? So what you'll do, you're going to find the center of the top, then you're going to do this, you see, so that it can form that tiny triangular shape here. So what I did, I took a yarn needle, this one. So now I started making connecting this, you see, this part. So you're going to sew this, yeah, so this is what you'll do. Yeah, we just want to have a base, as in, so that it can connect, so that it can be easier to attach it to this part, to this ring. Yeah, so you do that. So these other parts, do the same. So do that now. Yeah, we're almost done. So I'm just going to tie these parts. Then chop that off, and now so we're already done with that part. Now we need to connect this part to this ring. So what you'll do, so what we're going to do, we're just going to okay, we need to make, so here we are, this is where insert your hook in that loop. And now we're going to take this. Now this is what you are going to do. You see, this part should face you. You see, make sure this is the outer part, the part where this car rectangular shape here is on the outer side. So what you're going to do, you're just going to connect these with double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, then in this one still, then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through the last two. So you're just going to connect it with double crochets. Don't forget to insert inside the ring so that it can be connected, you see. So continue doing this until you reach at the end of this row. Yeah, so yeah, it's going to take time, but yeah, you continue. It's hard to insert these, to do this, but yeah, you'll still you'll be persistent, then it will be okay. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through this loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through the last two. So that's what you're going to do. So sorry for that. So at the end of the row, you're just going to chop this off, pull through, and you already have your top like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make sure these ones will not unravel. So I'll just tie them together. Then chop the excess yarn off. Same to this part, I'm just going to take one strand of yarn, then yeah, tie it so that at least it can be secure. I don't want it to unravel when someone is wearing it. Yeah, so that's that. So here is our top. This is the outer part. This is the outer part. So this is how your top will be. Yeah. So this is your top. But still we are not done. We need now the straps. So the straps, you're going to make a twist of these two yarns. Yeah, so for the so for the straps, I'm going to make a very long chain, a very long one. So I'm going to use the two different yarns together, yeah, to make one lovely string or straps. Oh, actually I love the way wow, it has a lovely pattern, the way it's changing the colors. Here the red is so visible, then here pink is visible, like it's making a lovely pattern. Yeah, so I'll make a very long one. See you when I'm done. Let me do that. So I'm done making the string. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to secure these ones. Then chop them off. Yeah, this other side too. Just can't wait to rock these. Yeah, so we're also selling them, so if you're interested, you can just comment down there and tell me what color you want. Yeah, they're available in any color you want. So what you're going to do, you're going to insert these in here. Then the center part. Then now the last part. So we're basically done making this lovely top. So this is where you'll tie after you've worn it. This is how it turns out. Oh my god, I'm just in love with this. Yeah, so we're done. I hope you loved the tutorial, and I hope you loved the tutorial. Yeah, I enjoyed making this, so I hope you're going to enjoy it too. You can use any color of yarn that you want, any pattern. You can even use single crochet instead of the double crochet or the half double crochet. So yeah, this is it, and see you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share with your friends. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.